What is it? Is it even a weed?
Yeah, it's a weed. It's called Ovehome.
Oklahoma.
Ovehome. Let's go! Come on! Go, girls!
Yep.
Could still have air somehow. All I did was back it up and
Yesterday we replaced a valve that had a fuel filter on it too, and there obviously got air in the injectors, so we had to bleed the lines, and we thought we got it yesterday, but we didn't. Ran out of battery.
now the ground's fucking gotta be harder.
Harder, yeah.
Not that. Not like this.
Was Monday the last day it rained?
I think so.
And it's Thursday. I thought it would have rained by now.
Me too.
Hopefully tomorrow, but windy as it is.
Hey! After that rain,
That first day of planting corn.
that'll sprout.
Yeah. A lot of dead grass patches in here.
It's not dead, it's just been munched down. We look up right back up. We had to come back through now and cut all the weeds out of here. It rains. It will scorch it out.
Yeah.
But if these weeds don't see grass in the foot, come right back.
Yeah.
Horses. Be down at the river. Or it could have went down with the cows. The cows could have let one cow could have showed them other cows.
Yeah.
All be gone. I saw something back there though. At least the horse.
Okay.
Something like.
Down by the river?
In this field, I want to cut too for tomorrow. And in the front field and the other field, there's 4 fields I want to cut. That tractor, I'm gonna need to get more diesel. If I go too much, it's just gonna start leaking.
Yeah.
Real slow. Take my time.
So you're just gonna wait till you gotta take it to a mechanic to get the leaking fixed, so that we don't have to mess with the timing?
I don't know yet. Wonder how much a brand new one costs in the United States. Refurbished one that's already ready. Like, I'm then just take the other one off and put the new one on. It's probably like $200 for a new one. Then I can take the old one, have it all replaced, because getting it refurbished, $500.
Yeah.
You get one that's already refurbished, $200. Have like Max or somebody bring it. It's not that big of a unit.
No.
It'd be cheaper than fuck getting it fixed here.
Even to ship it, it wouldn't cost that much.
No, so that's what I'm thinking. But if it's more than that, if it's $500 for a new one,
Yeah.
but the parts are way cheap. Like I said, that O-ring kit you brought,
$18?
yeah, in here it's like 100.
Because of shipping.
No, there's reasons, like certain parts. So there's a valve inside the PTO, clutch valve, that we couldn't even find it here. And the first mechanic guy that stole our money, he charged us like $400 for one. He said it never came, and then he said that they stole the money.
Jeez.
So that's how I found the old man. He actually knew what he was doing. Then I had Max bring that part. So that valve, he got it in eBay for $40.
Huh.
And they made a mistake and sent us two. We got two for the price of one.
Nice.
Yeah, I still got them. No, they brought us three. There were three. We paid. There were two, and then they gave us one for free, something like that. So I put the new one of them in there. And now I got two extra. And I put it on Facebook to sell it. I know those tractors are everywhere.
Yeah.
And
That's probably the
find that part, then all the cows. There's not all the cows. They're all in the street. There she is. It could be all laying in the street. There's so much grass growing here, but this needs to be cut in like today, because it's just now starting to seed.
Yeah.
If I cut it today, it would be in good shape. Then we keep the animals out of this field. It's going to be a problem. Go, girls!
These are where the seeds will be in the cat's claw. But the cows eat this stuff?
They do when it's very small.
Okay. Not when it's big and bushy.
No.
Plus the cat's claw's in it.
Yeah.
So they probably ain't gonna want to eat that.
And that stuff gets really tall too.
What is it? Is it even a weed?
Yeah, it's a weed. It's called Ovehome.
Oklahoma.
Ovehome. Ovehome.
Okay.
And it gets a big seed out of it that's long, and it's a flower. It has these big yellow. It gets really tall and bushy. It's easy to cut. Normally one of them. See all this is just one. See, it comes from one stem, and it bushes out all crazy. So a lot of these are just. But now there's a bunch of them all compact together. And see, there's grass growing in the bottom. You just look. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at all the grass.
Some tall ones in there.
See all that grass in there?
Yeah.
But the animals aren't eating it because it's all in with cat claws.
This grass is almost seeding.
Yeah, a lot of it is seeding. If you look at the top, there's seeding there and seeding over there. That's how I can see that there's grass growing in this. It just needs to be cut. And this is different grass than that. Because see how the seeds are? Look at the seeds. It comes out in 3 things instead of a bunch of little, like a broom. The other one has like a little broom hand, that kind of. This one just got a couple, but it's almost exactly the same. Look, it's the kind that it should be that kind of crawls along the ground. Like this, see?
Yeah.
See how it kind of just it crawls. It's like that kind, but it's different. See? It's got that kind of broomy top to it, but then it pops out, unless this is 2 different kind growing in there. But that looks different. See, it's only got 4 or 5. But it's the same species, because it crawls along the ground. It's just a different kind. So we'll just let this keep seeding itself over and over. Cut it. And eventually this will take over. But it's gonna take a couple more cuttings.
Oh yeah.
She disappeared into that tree.
She knows.
Let's go, girls! They're almost all inside there.
So what's the plan? Just get them closer to the gate, or? Because if she sees us walking up to her, is she gonna run away?
No. But she's gonna go inside there like that. Yeah. I just get really close. Go, girls! We can't really ride the horses in here because these cat claws, the horses will fucking hate it. They won't work good. So they won't go through it. We can. I've done it a hundred times. Oh! Go, girls! Go, girls! Oh! There's like a little ravine in here. That you have to cut with the weed whacker. Same as over there. That's why it's all. See right here in front of us?
Okay, Maybelline.
See, there's like a little pile of it. That you have to cut with the weed whacker. Can't get that with the tractor. I'll show you good. Let's go. Come on. Go, girls. Gotta go to town today to get the bicycles.
Oh yeah.
Should get some stuff for the tractor. I'll see how much gas diesel I use. I'd be going to the diesel station a lot. Normally it'd be $40 to fill that thing up. It's almost empty. Yesterday it was $37, $38. No, it was 40. The first time I went it was 12,900, so it was like 13,000. The second time I put 8,000. So it's 21. I put 21,000.
$42, and it wasn't even full.
It wasn't even full.
In the tractor.
I mean, only explanation is the gas or diesel prices gone up.
Yeah. It was at least 3/4 full, though, wasn't it?
Yeah. I think another $20 would be more than enough for it. Fill it. Pull it. Fucking deal. But first, we gotta cut that low. I'm gonna cut it with the tractor. And we'll go along the sides like you did that one day. We'll cut into the trees where it can't get with the tractor.
Oh yeah.
And then we'll go along the tire marks with the weed whacker. With the weed whacker, it's even lower.
Mhm.
But first, we'll get all the big shit. We'll drive over it with the tractor. So that way we come back with the weed whacker. I think today, come with that weed whacker, start the gate, cut everything from the fence line to about where that stuff starts getting really thick. Like all
Okay.
this area that's kind of barren, there's just grass, just come through and cut this little stuff. That, don't worry about going into that, I'll cut that, I'll go over there. All this. And then I'll go down there and I'll cut that field, the tractor, and then I'll leave the spot.
Okay.